Drop AI is a brand new AI software that's been making waves in the digital space. And today, I'm going to cover the 7 crucial things you need to know about this game-changing tool. Trust me, if you're someone looking to optimize your digital workflow, you'll want to stick around for this. Now, before we dive in, you can actually try Drop AI completely free from the first link in the description below. That's right, you don't have to pay a dime to explore all of its features. And believe me, by the end of this video, you'll understand why this tool is worth your time. First up, Drop AI is designed to automate tasks that previously took hours of manual work. Whether you're a digital marketer, business owner, or content creator, this AI software has something to offer. It's built to help streamline processes, saving you time and making your work more efficient. But that's just scratching the surface. The second thing you need to know is the powerful integration capabilities of Drop AI. It's not a standalone tool that only works in a vacuum. It integrates seamlessly with many of the most popular platforms out there, like Google Ads, Facebook, Shopify, and many more. This is huge for businesses and marketers who are juggling multiple tools at once. It brings everything into one place, making your job a whole lot easier. Next, Drop AI has a remarkable learning curve, which means even if you're not super tech savvy, you'll be able to use it effectively. The interface is clean and intuitive. You won't feel like you need a degree in computer science just to get started. And, unlike many other AI tools, you don't need a long tutorial to understand how it works. You can dive in and get started right away. One of the biggest benefits of Drop AI is its ability to generate high-quality content at scale. Whether it's blog posts, ad copy, or social media posts, Drop AI helps you produce content quickly and efficiently. It's trained on the latest trends and data, meaning you can stay ahead of the curve with relevant, impactful content. If you're in digital marketing, this alone can save you countless hours of writing and brainstorming. Another thing that sets Drop AI apart is its use of advanced predictive analytics. It doesn't just process data, it learns from it to predict future outcomes. This feature is especially useful if you're running ad campaigns and want to optimize them for maximum performance. You'll know exactly what's working and what's not, so you can make adjustments in real time. The 6th crucial point is that Drop AI is built with scalability in mind. Whether you're a small startup or a large enterprise, this software grows with you. You can scale your usage without worrying about hitting limitations or experiencing slowdowns. This is vital for businesses that plan to grow and need a tool that can keep up with their increasing demands. Finally, one of the most exciting things about Drop AI is its commitment to constant updates. The team behind it is always improving the software, making it more powerful and capable over time. It's a tool that will only get better, and if you start using it now, you're getting in on the ground floor. If you're interested in trying out Drop AI for yourself, remember, you can grab a free trial through the first link below. This isn't some limited time demo. This is a full-featured free trial, so you can get a feel for how it works before committing. If you've been struggling to find the right AI software for your needs, I've tried thousands of tools and can tell you, Drop AI stands out. But if this doesn't sound like the right fit, I also have my list of recommended AI tools in the description that you can try for free. Let me know your thoughts on Drop AI in the comments below. What's your favorite feature? Or if you've tried it, what's been your experience? Don't forget to check out the free trials linked below. And as always, thank you for watching.